Hi guys, we need to find the sum of all two digits numbers and such that they are even and multiple of its two digits. Let A and B be the two digits of n such that A is the digit in the tenth place and B is the digit in the unit place. So n can be written as 10 into A plus B. First condition is n is a even. For that, the digit in the unit place must be even. So here are the possibilities of B: 2, 4, 6 and 8. We are not taking B is equals to 0 as n also a multiple of two digit. If we take B is equals to 0, then n also becomes 0. So we are not considering that case. Second condition is n is a multiple of its two digits. So say multiple is lambda into A into B, means A into B is a factor of n. It implies then n must be divisible by A into B. Now we study each of these four cases of B. When guys B is equals to 2, then n become 10 into A plus 2. This means 10 into A plus 2 must be divisible by A into B, means 2 into A. This is equals to 5 plus 2 divided by 2A. 10A divided by 2A is 5. So 2 will be divisible by 2A if A is equals to 1. And when A is equals to 1, then n will become 12. Second case guys, when B is equals to 4, then n become 10 into A plus 4, means 10 into A plus 4 must be divisible by 4 into A, multiple of digit. 10A can be written as 8A plus 2A, right? What is left? Plus 4 divided by 4 into A. 8A divided by 2A is 2 plus what is left? 2A plus 4 divided by 4 into A. 2A plus 4 will be divisible by 4A if A is equals to 2. And when A is equals to 2, then n become 24. 10 into 2 plus 4, 24. Case third, when B is equals to 6, then n will become 10 into A plus 6. And this number 10 into A plus 6 must be divisible by a multiple of its digits, 6 into A. 10A can be written as 6A plus 4A. And what is left? Plus 6 divided by 6A. 6A divided by 6A is 1 plus what is left? 4A plus 6 divided by 6A. 4A plus 6 will be divisible by 6A if A is equals to 3. And when A is equals to 3, then n become 36. Now we will study case 4 when B is equals to 8. Then n will be 10 into A plus 8, means 10 into A plus 8 must be divisible by 8 into A. 10A can be written as 8A plus 2A plus 8 divided by 8 into A. 8A divided by 8 is 1. What is left? Plus 2A plus 8 divided by 8 into A. 2A plus 8 will not be divisible by 8A. So this is not the possibility. So we have three cases. When B is equals to 2, n is equals to 12. B is equals to 4, n is equals to 24. When B is equals to 6, then n equal to 36. So sum of all two digits number n will be 12 plus 24 plus 36, which is equals to 72. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.